like this side, the wrong one. Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you... Hey guys, what is up? I'm going to be showing you some common mistakes that every girl do when it comes to the eyeshadow. I have cooperated the smoky eyes, which every girl likes, but they do not know how to do it. I have been there, I have made all these mistakes, learned from it. Yeah, without any further ado, let's just get into the video. The first main mistake that people do is that they do not prime their eyelids. To prime your eyelids, it's not necessary to have a expensive primers or something. You can even use your concealer, which in my case, I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be using the Clinique concealer in Petal Beige, this much. This side is going to be my bad side, which is the wrong things that people do, and this side is going to be my correct side. So yeah, I'm going to be applying the concealer only to this side. Now I'm going to set it with my powder, which is the most common second mistake that people do. They do not set the primers or even foundation after they've done applying it. I'm going to be using the Ben & Luxury powder to set my concealer. I'm going to be taking my Naked Urban Decay and going straight to the black one. That is what people usually do.
As you can see, I have started doing the eyeshadow without using any transition colors. And the most common mistake that people do is that they do not tap off the excess. Another mistake that people do is that they do not blend the eyeshades with the blending brush.
This does not look good. Now I'm gonna be doing the same thing on my other eye, but with transition colors, and then you can see the difference. Again, I'm taking my Why am I saying basics again and again? I'm going to be taking my Naked Urban Decay, and now I'm going to be taking the Naked from the Urban Decay. Building up the color.
Always start your eyeshades with the transition shade. That is the lightest most color that is in your palette. And then slowly building up the eyeshadow.
If you're doing eyeshadow, you have to work really slow and you have to build up the colors. You do not have to, go crazy with your eyeshadows. You do not have to do that. Otherwise, you're going to end up with something like this. What we're basically doing, we are basically creating the contours of our eyes and then slowly building it up, darkening it out. That is what we are doing. Shade Urban Decay palette and taking Buck from it, which is a bit darker than the Naked one. Taking my contour palette and taking this dark shade.
If you don't have any lighter shade in your palette, which is impossible, you can even take your contour shade, which I did right there, and keep building up the colors.
It up a bit more. I'm going to be taking my Sleek palette, my all-time favorite palette, and then I'm going to be taking this brown shade. Now I'm going to be concentrating only onto the outer corner of my eye.
And yes, do not forget to blend.
Naked Urban Decay and taking that taking that creep shade that we took earlier on the wrong side.
And now after the transition shades, finally I'm working with the black eye shade. And I'm concentrating it onto the outer corner of my eye. And then slowly applying it onto my crease. If you have hooded eyes, you do not have to take any darker color above your crease. Again taking the black shade, but this time taking from a sleek palette. And applying it onto the only outer V of my eye, making it even deeper.
Well, the second thing people do, they just go directly with the glitter shade. You do not have to do that. If you want to apply the glitter shade, before that you have to, create some base for it. Deep purplish glitter shade and going directly with it. Before using the glitter one, I have to use something to create the base. I'm going to be using this kind of mauvey type of color, and I'm going to be taking this first.
I'm using the tapping motion to create the base for that glitter.
I'm going to spray it with some setting spray. This is almost done. And again taking a bit.
And again going for the tapping motion. And here I'm looking for the eye brush that is already in my hand. Now I'm again taking this virgin and applying it onto my brow bone. And onto the wrong side, I'm highlighting all over my brow bone, which, trust me, does not look flattering. And again, to smoke it out, I'm going to be applying directly the black shade onto the lower part of my eye. And as for the correct side, I'm going to be using all the transition shades that I use on my crease.
I'm going to be taking the same version. I'm going to be taking the same version.
And I will highlight the tear duct of the right side only.
So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you're new, you know the drill, guys. If you're new, subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Saturday. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah.